In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record received customer payments in Zoho Books. First, let's get you started by heading over to the Zoho Books website. It's the platform's central hub, and from here you'll be able to carry out various tasks to manage your finances efficiently. Just open your web browser and type in the Zoho Books URL, which you can find easily by a simple search. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, your next move is to sign into your account. You'll see the sign in option on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you haven't already set up a Zoho account, you'll need to register by following the simple steps on the site. But when you are signed in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books main dashboard. Now that you're logged into your account, it's time to navigate to Zoho Books Home. This is essentially your command center where you get a good overview of all your projects, expenses, and of course payments. It's like the cockpit of an airplane. All the necessary tools and data are laid out for easy access. Let's proceed to the settings section, which you can easily reach by clicking on the settings icon on your dashboard. This area lets you customize your Zoho Books experience and access essential features that help streamline your business financial operations. It also includes options for personalizing your account to better reflect your company's individual needs. Next, direct your attention to the integrations and marketplace section. Here, you'll find a variety of third-party apps and services that Zoho Books can integrate with to further enhance its capabilities. This integration means you can centrally manage different aspects of your business operations right from Zoho Books, thus saving you time and effort. Within the integration section, you'll want to locate the marketplace. Once you click on marketplace, it will open up a suite of options for applications that Zoho Books works alongside. Keep in mind, marketplaces are designed to offer complementary apps that can increase your productivity and efficiency. Finally, in the marketplace menu, locate and select the Stripe integration. Zoho Books offers various payment gateway options, and Stripe is one of the popular choices amongst users for its seamless handling of payment transactions. By clicking on Stripe, you can streamline how payments are recorded and managed in Zoho Books. And there you have it, you've navigated the Zoho Books platform to better manage your customer payments with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to utilize all the robust features Zoho Books offers to keep your business financials in check.